And wild camping on Dartmoor is legal, rules the Supreme Court after a lengthy battle with the landowners.
The Supreme Court has ruled that the public does have the right to wild camp on Dartmoor. The unanimous decision by 5 justices dismissed a legal challenge brought by 2 landowners who initially won their case to ban the practice. But today's decision is seen as a victory for those campaigning for a greater right to roam in England. Jenny Kumar reports.
Delight and relief at the Supreme Court's judgment.
Members of the public who have entered the Commons on foot or on horseback have a right to camp on the Commons.
To be honest, I didn't imagine this was ever going to happen. I'm absolutely ecstatic.
It's kind of outrageous that one wealthy landowner was able to try and take away the rights of everyone to have access to the outdoors on Dartmoor.
Wild camping is an historic custom. It's about taking everything you need in a backpack, pitching up your tent for a couple of nights and leaving no trace.
Okay, it's good.
This looks good.
Yeah, it's just really important, especially in today's busy lives and noise, that people have that ability to release that pressure on them on Dartmoor.
It's been a really hot issue over the last couple of years.
Defend Dartmoor and its wild camping rights.
There were protests when landowners Mr and Mrs Darwall won a court case that meant there was no longer an assumed right to sleep under the stars.
The legal argument centres around whether wild camping fell under the definition of open-air recreation in the Dartmoor Commons Act of 1985. The Darwalls argued that it doesn't, and they said that they needed to control access because they've had problems with campers causing damage to livestock and the environment.
We've had people with camper vans up on the top.
The Darwalls didn't want to be interviewed. This landowner tells me he's had to deal with unspeakable mess left by campers.
Going to the toilet, goodness knows where, and dumping waste in the stream. We've done a lot of restoration, and the only way that we can maintain the environment in reasonable condition is by contributing to the cost of private security guards to patrol it on summer evenings. That's not fair.
The Dartmoor National Park contested the court action and said that the vast majority of campers have behaved responsibly for decades.
This case has been going on for almost 4 years now, so it's good that it's come to an end, and I hope it is an end. I hope we can move forward in partnership with all landowners, farmers and everyone else who enjoys the National Park. It's time to draw a line.
In a statement, the Darwalls say their aim was always to protect Dartmoor and that today's judgment will not improve the vitality of the Commons. Jenny Kumar, BBC News, Dartmoor.